So how to install Waves plugins on your Mac, updated for 2022. First thing we need to do is head over to waves.com/downloads and download and install Waves Central. This is how we're going to manage all of our Waves licenses and installs. Once you've launched Waves Central, you'll be presented with your login page, and you log in and it will show you what you have available. You have the My Products section here. It will show you whether or not they're activated or installed. You can use the filters here to show you what's installed, what's activated, if you've got something maybe installed that isn't activated, for example. So for this video, I've gone and grabbed the API 550. What we can do here is just select that and we get a nice little tick next to it. And we see the right hand side here has now changed for us. And we're going to use the install and activate trigger. And that is going to download the plugin, install it onto the Mac, and do the activation all in one go for us automatically. Once that's finished, we'll get the install and activate complete, and we could exit Central. What we're going to do is just hit OK. Go up here into the search and we'll put in 550. We can now see that the API 550 is as its licensed location as the Mac HD. It's activated and it is installed. And there we go. That is how you install and activate your Waves plugins on your Mac. To then get them over into Logic Pro, we would simply just launch Logic Pro. We'll rescan for any new units, and if we head over to Logic's plugin manager, I'll be able to see that the API 550 is available in here and it's been successfully validated. I hope that's been helpful. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.